Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make spinach crab dip. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of mayonnaise, and 1 cup each of grated Parmesan and shredded mozzarella cheese. Don't forget 10 ounces of thawed and well-drained frozen chopped spinach, plus 6 ounces of drained lump crab meat. A 1/4 cup of chopped green onions and a dash of hot sauce will complete your flavor profile. This combination ensures a rich and savory dip. Now, let's get started on the preparation. Begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, combine the softened cream cheese and mayonnaise, stirring until smooth. Next, incorporate the Parmesan and mozzarella cheeses, mixing them thoroughly. Gently fold in the well-drained spinach and the delicious lump crab meat. Finally, add a 1/4 cup of chopped green onions and a dash of your favorite hot sauce for a little kick. Mix everything until just combined. Once your dip mixture is ready, transfer it into a small, oven-safe baking dish. Spread the mixture evenly, ensuring it fills the dish nicely. Place the dish into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's done when the dip is bubbly around the edges and the top is a beautiful golden brown. The cheese should be perfectly melted and gooey. After baking, let it cool for about 5 minutes. This helps it set and prevents burns. Your delicious spinach crab dip is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm with an assortment of dippers. Toasted baguette slices are a classic choice, but crispy crackers or pita chips also work wonderfully. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh green onions. This dip is always a crowd pleaser, whether you're hosting a party or just enjoying a quiet evening at home. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.